Welcome to Belmont Machinery Company. Today I'll be showing you this sharp engine lathe. It's a model 1880C. It's got 18-inch swing over your bed, 80 inches between centers, new in 1998. It's got a 3-inch hole through the spindle, 2,000 RPM, inch and metric threading. That is a gap bed machine with hard ways. You got a taper turning attachment, 4-way tool post. Thread chasing dial, 5-center in your tailstock, a roller type steady rest, and you've got a 2-axis Accurite digital readout, and some extras here, foot brake, and we're going to run her for you. That's 75 RPM. Feeding the cross slide in. And then feeding the carriage towards the truck. Our video demonstration. Machine can be inspected here in Aurora, Illinois. Thanks for watching.